Look what's back. The Kingroon. This is our first printer we received, we bought. And I had this sent out to my buddy Vincent to kind of fix for me. And he drove all the way back from Quebec to give it to me. No, actually, he had some business to do. He's a truck driver, and he had to come through Manitoba, so I met him at a truck stop, and it's been a while since it's been home. We've had a little, we had some issues. So let's see what he did. He ended up putting the auto leveler on. He printed out a new kind of a shrouded skirt, I guess, for the fans. Put another fan on the side, which is super awesome. All right. He also really cleaned up the mess that I made, of course. He changed the power, how it works in, which is less dangerous. Now we just plug it in from here. Like, I mean, it's still plugged into the wall, but this way there's less chance. It's a bigger wire. Anything about electrical, when they put, there's four wires to the fan inside here, and what happens is the original one is not, it's not really made to power all that stuff up. So anyway, he put this big one on. It should be a lot better. What else did we do? That's pretty much it. I think he ended up putting an end stop on here. I don't remember that being there. I don't remember, maybe. I don't know. It's been a while since I remember the machine back. And also, just to let you guys know, we're doing the Airy One PLA. This is the Ivory White. So we've done a test on it. We did make something else. We sent out a review on it. I really like the Airy One. They do have a really good filament to go on with. Like, we have a couple other ones down here that this is a new brand we're going to be testing out. It's called Surprise with a C, and then that's our Schnott Green that we got. And then again, that's an Airy. The purple was an Airy One also that we've made some stuff back there with. So what we're doing with this is we're making a TIE Fighter. It's something different. It's gonna look cool. So it's a little bit of a long print, whatever. Again, we want to thank our buddy Vincent for helping us out. The guy's been nothing but a huge help for us, and he's always there for me when it comes up to either setting up my profile or tinkering into things. Like, super nice guy. Just met him first time today. Seems like I've known him forever. So you know what, he has a group for the Kingroon Black and Blue. And I mean, if you do have a black and blue Kingroon, you're more than welcome to come and join us. Look for us on Facebook. He let me to be in as an admin, so which is cool. I don't know much yet, so I'm learning with him. Yeah, it's good. It's, if you need help and he can do it, he can help you. He will. That's guaranteed, because he's a good man. Anyway, let's keep on going. We're gonna let that build into our TIE Fighter. There's our Max Rebo, but he had some issues too. We got to clean him up. Lots of time. We still got a lot of things to do going on. We're having a great time. We still got like helmet to paint, Oh, and then we are looking to put a printer right there. So just wait. There's something coming very soon. All right, guys, stay tuned. We'll see you in a bit. We're at. So it looks like, well, this is different because there's no time on it. So whatever. But we're getting there. Looks like we're pretty close to the end. These are tree supports, so that has to be taken out. And this is a good day's worth. This is going to be, there's still a little bit of a while to go. So yeah, we're just keep on going and we'll see what we're like. We'll end up finishing this one up and go from there. Alright, a bit of an update with our Kingroon. It still says print through, motherfucker. Don't know where that came from. That's Vincent's fault. Alright, we're working on some wings, and we got some paint going on. That's coming along. Here's my buddy Steve, here to visit my video game again. He's awesome. All right. I left him up here, so I have to show you. And then we got one wing already ready to go. Just got to put in the plugs. All right, so stay tuned. It's coming. All right, guys. So with everything that's been going on, a lot of it was not videoed, so I apologize again. I just want to get it done kind of thing some days, and not feeling the best. But anyway, check it out. This is the TIE Fighter that I got. So basically all the pieces are glued in. The chair's in there. What I did was I took my airbrush, and you could see the paint difference in this is where you could see like the darker and the lighter. So it, from we'll say like if it's hung up, you'll get that glare of light that'll go off it, and it's just my style of doing something. Everything's been epoxied together. I kind of had an issue again. It happens. You can see it's rocking right now. When I went to glue this piece onto here, this piece here is the arm, and I glued it onto the actual wing itself. It slipped, and I didn't realize it slipped, and I let it, and I walked away from it, and it's set. 5 minutes epoxy. Well, this is what you get, but still a pretty cool build. The one thing I would maybe do is I still have to put two little lasers here, just two little red beads, I guess, 2 dots. I'll print those guys out, paint them, and then the lid, you can actually take, I didn't paint this all because what it is I can actually take all of this off and you can see inside better. But I mean, I don't think I really want to do that. These pieces are removable to the point where you can take everything out, and I guess you could maybe get a Darth Vader or some sort of character to go in there. I'm not into having that done like that. This basically will be a piece that will hang up either in the corner or something. You know, I just wanted to show you guys that this stuff it's doable. So we're gonna call it done. Like I said, a couple little pieces, no big deal. Again, want to thank my buddy Vincent, good buddy of mine who's been helping me out quite a bit with my machines when there's issues. Otherwise, yeah, a lot of Star Wars stuff. I love playing with the Star Wars stuff, you know, whatever. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. So remember, if I can do it, you can do it. And choose your own path, guys. Thanks for watching. On to the next one. Pew, pew.